Have you ever pondered upon the significance of professionalism and integrity in the world of pen testing? Pen testing, or penetration testing, is the simulated cyber attack against a computer system, designed to evaluate its security and identify vulnerabilities. It's like a fire drill for your digital fortress, a way of preparing for the worst by simulating it in a controlled environment. Now, let's dive into the essence of professionalism and integrity in this sphere. Professionalism, in the context of pen testing, refers to the adherence to a set of guidelines and ethical standards, as well as the commitment to continuous learning and improvement. It's about being up to date with the latest cybersecurity trends, technologies, and threats, and applying this knowledge in a responsible and effective manner. Integrity, on the other hand, is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. In pen testing, it means respecting the privacy and confidentiality of the client, using the discovered vulnerabilities only to improve the system's security, and not taking advantage of them for personal gain or malicious intent. These qualities are not just nice-to-haves, they are essential. They can make a profound difference in the effectiveness and credibility of a pen tester's work. Professionalism ensures that the pen test is conducted in an organized and systematic way, increasing its efficiency and accuracy. Integrity guarantees that the pen tester acts in the best interest of the client, fostering trust and long-term relationships. Without these attributes, the pen tester risks becoming a part of the problem rather than the solution. A lack of professionalism could lead to incomplete or inaccurate results, leaving the system vulnerable to real attacks. A breach of integrity could turn the pen tester into a cyber criminal, misusing the vulnerabilities they were supposed to fix. Without professionalism and integrity, a pen tester's work is not only questionable, but also potentially harmful. So let's delve deeper into the impact of these qualities, or the lack thereof, in the following scenes. Consider this real-life scenario to understand the gravity of maintaining professionalism and integrity. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, a medium-sized finance company engaged a pen tester to conduct a security audit. The pen tester, let's call him John, was seasoned in his craft, but unfortunately, he didn't hold professionalism and integrity in high regard. John decided to take shortcuts to wrap up the assignment quickly. He used automated tools without customizing them to the client's unique environment, resulting in a plethora of false positives. This not only wasted the company's time in chasing non-existent threats, but also created a false sense of security, leading them to overlook real vulnerabilities. But the story doesn't end there. John, in his haste, missed a critical vulnerability, a ticking time bomb, if you will. This oversight left the company's systems open to potential exploitation, putting sensitive data at risk. Just a few weeks later, the company fell victim to a cyber attack that exploited this very vulnerability. The fallout was severe, with the company losing significant revenue and customer trust. The company's trust in John's abilities was shattered. His lack of professionalism and integrity had not only put the company's security posture at risk, but also tarnished his reputation in the cybersecurity community. The legal ramifications followed, leading to John facing hefty fines and even the loss of his professional license. This tale of John is a stark reminder of the ripple effects of a single individual's actions. The false positives, the missed vulnerability, the subsequent cyber attack, the tarnished reputation, and the legal troubles all stemmed from a lack of professionalism and integrity. It's not just about doing the job, it's about doing it right and doing it with honor. Professionalism and integrity are not just buzzwords, they are the bedrock of any cybersecurity professional's career. They are what separate a trusted advisor from a liability. As you can see, the absence of professionalism and integrity can lead to disastrous outcomes. So, what does professionalism and integrity in pen testing truly entail? Well, let's start with the basics. Professionalism in pen testing is about more than just technical expertise. It's about being thorough and meticulous in your work. It's about leaving no stone unturned, no potential vulnerability unexplored. Because remember, in the world of cybersecurity, the smallest oversight can lead to the biggest breaches. Next, we have honesty. As a pen tester, you are entrusted with the sensitive task of probing an organization's defenses. You have the power to expose their deepest secrets, their most critical vulnerabilities. But with this power comes a responsibility to report your findings accurately and completely, without bias or ulterior motives. Because when it comes to cybersecurity, there's no room for half-truths or sugar-coated reports. But let's not forget about the cornerstone of it all, ethical behavior. In pen testing, this means respecting the boundaries that have been set. It means not exploiting the vulnerabilities you find for personal gain. It means understanding that your role is not to harm, but to help. To help organizations strengthen their defenses, to help them become more resilient against cyber threats. And how do these traits contribute to accurate and reliable pen testing results? Simple. Thoroughness ensures that no potential vulnerability is missed. Honesty ensures that the organization gets a clear and complete picture of their cybersecurity posture. And ethical behavior ensures that the pen testing process is carried out in a way that respects the organization's rights and interests. So you see, professionalism and integrity in pen testing go beyond just being nice to haves. They are the very pillars that hold up the entire discipline. Without them, the trust that forms the basis of the pen tester-organization relationship would crumble. The reliability and credibility of the pen testing process would be undermined. Professionalism and integrity, therefore, are not just desirable traits, but essential ones for every pen tester. To recap, the essence of professionalism and integrity in pen testing cannot be overstated. These twin pillars are foundational to the cybersecurity field. They ensure that pen testers work within ethical boundaries, respect privacy, and deliver accurate, unbiased reports. Without them, pen testing loses its credibility, effectiveness, and value. Professionalism is about consistently delivering high-quality work, adhering to industry standards, and maintaining a respectful demeanor, even in challenging situations. It's about understanding that pen testing isn't just about finding vulnerabilities. It's about helping organizations improve their security posture. Integrity, on the other hand, is the moral compass guiding every pen tester. It ensures the pen tester respects the boundaries of their permissions, avoids conflicts of interest, and maintains honesty and transparency in all their dealings. Remember, as a pen tester, your professionalism and integrity are not just about you. They impact the entire cybersecurity landscape.